Hello everybody and welcome to this week's AVARigs. I'm Wesley, as always, and today the PC we are going to talk about is this beautiful PC, which is housed in a Lian Li case. Now, real quick, I want to say Lian Li has come up a lot from past years. They just make really good quality cases. So shout out to you, Lian Li. Good for you. So I'm going to break down, as always, what's in this particular PC. But the biggest thing I'm really going to touch on is the hybrid 2080 Ti and what you can do with it. So let's go ahead and talk about what's actually in this PC. So the CPU is an i7-9700K that is overclocked. We have Corsair 32 gigabytes Dominator Platinum memory. It is being graphically powered by a 2080 Ti Hybrid Edition by EVGA, and which we'll go into that in a moment. It's got a Western Digital Green 1TB SSD, also has a Seagate 1TB BarraCuda hard drive for all the small files, and then is all being ran by a Gigabyte Z390 Aorus Master. And then again being housed in the Lian Li 011 Air. I totally had to look at that because I forgot. But let's go ahead. Oh, I forgot. Oh, Lord have mercy. It's being cooled by Corsair Hydro. Hydro? Is it really a Hydro? So I can confirm it is a Hydro H115i. Sorry, Corsair, I really just look at the H factor anytime I look at these coolers. But it is keeping the CPU cool, which is nice. You're doing a good job. Thanks. So let's go ahead and take a moment to talk about this 2080 Ti and what's so special about it. So as I stated, it is a hybrid card. So what that means is there's an AIO loop integrated with the card. So it allows it its own cooling mechanism, you know, as all GPUs do. However, it is liquid cooled. So what that is gonna do in turn for you is it's gonna keep your GPU a lot more cooler. You know, with all the high demanding titles that are coming out these days. I'm looking at you, Borderlands. Oh yeah, I'm looking at you. But it's a really good investment. So a regular 2080 Ti is roughly about $1,200, and for about $300 more, you can go ahead and get yourself one of these cards. So if that's something that interests you, as always, hop over to AVADirect.com and just take a look and get one, because you know you want to. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that's all the time I have for today. However, there's one last thing I do want to note. For a limited time, when you purchase an RTX card, you are going to get a code for Call of Duty Modern Warfare that drops in October. So this card, this beautiful hybrid card, that is one of the cards that is included in this promotion. So if that is something that you want your hands on, just hop on over to avadirect.com, purchase yourself an RTX card, and get Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Until next time, I'm Wesley. This was AVARigs. Have a good one.
If you'd like to have the PC in this video, or need help building one that's right for you, please visit the link in this description. You can choose from one of our pre-built gaming or workstation systems, or use our simple configurator to design one to meet your unique needs. Click thumbs up and subscribe if you liked this video, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for even more, @AVADirect.